Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to begin our knighting ceremony. You are going to become a Templar in Oz. A Templar is a guardian. So these are the things that are expected of our Templars. I am passionate, respectful, involved, determined, efficient. We are the Templars. If you notice, each one of those spell pride. I expect you to have pride in our classroom, pride in the things which we do. The P stands for passionate. I am passionate. I strongly believe in what I am doing. I come completely prepared and ready to work. The R is respectful. I am respectful. I understand that some things are important and should be treated in an appropriate way. The I is involved. I am involved. I am actively participating, and I am strongly engaged. The D stands for determined. I am determined. I have the ability to continue trying to do something that is difficult. E is efficient. I am efficient. I work in a completely well-organized manner, and I help others accomplish the same thing. For our school, we have added responsible. I am responsible. I have control over my actions. I choose to always do the right thing. And safe. I am safe. By my choices, I will protect myself and others from dangerous consequences. Again, we are Templars. Passionate, respectful, involved, determined, and efficient. So all knights, I want you to kneel before your queen and repeat after me. I have been deemed fit for the highest honor of knight. I am willing to accept this honor and do everything in my power to uphold this duty. I swear by all that I hold sacred, true, and holy, that I will honor and defend the crown and kingdom of Oz. I swear that I will honor, defend, and protect my classmates and watch out for those weaker than myself. I swear that I will be courteous and respectful to my classmates. And their ideas, that I will work together with my classmates as a team. I swear that I will conduct myself in all matters befitting a knight. That I will enshrine my heart with passion, respect, determination, responsibility, and safety. And that I will be involved and efficient in all I do. Then, having sworn this solemn oath, know now that I, the Witch of the West, do dub you, put your name there, a Templar of Oz. From this day forward, you will be known as a Templar of Oz. This means that you need to be the best. You never give up. You never stop trying. Remember, we are the Templars. Welcome to the team.